Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
For this week's class, I'm going to teach you all how to make tuna salad. The ingredients we're going to be using are canned tuna, chopped celery, diced carrots, mustard, mayonnaise, and for today's salt and pepper. Before we start, let's see what this week's helper is. Kelly, you're up.
Okay.
Kelly.
I am going.
Alright, Kelly. First, we grab our can of tuna. Use our can opener to open it. You first use it to cut two small bits onto the can and bend them with the tip over here to drain all the fluids. Don't worry, I already drained it all.
Okay.
Drained all the cans before we started. Put the rest of the can like so. Just be careful when you're using a can opener, alright? This one hurts hamstrings. Okay. Then you open the can and drop our chicken of the sea. Drop our chicken of the sea into the bowl. For those who don't know, that means tuna. Now let's see you handle the next can. Let me know if you need any help.
Okay.
Not with your fingers, but with the tip right here.
Oh, okay.
And be careful with your hand placement. You don't want to get a cut. Okay, careful with the lid. That's sharp. Remember what I say about using knives? Same goes with cans. Cans when you open them. Alright, next we grab our celery, place it onto the bowl. Then afterwards our carrots. Oh, careful.
That's why we have gloves for.
Yep. Next, we put in our mayonnaise. Too bad we don't have a lot. Next, our mustard.
Yeah.
Is that gonna taste good with mustard? I never had mustard in my tuna. Or carrots.
Well, this is the first time for everything. Next we take on taking all our ingredients and mix them all together like so. We have our mayonnaise to be a lot more smoother. One more thing. For taste, please add some salt and pepper. Next, we grab our bowl and our fork. Take a scoopful. And just like that, we got some delicious tuna salad.